You don't yɛda ase ɛne akonya wode ama yɛ ɛnɛ anɔpa yi yɛkyea atiefoɔ nyinaa afei nso nutulate striker Don Sama one ɛna Sadiq Adams a wɔn nyinaa ɛwɔ Angel ne Cresbin ɛna Ɔyepa FM no wɔn yɛ yɛn godfathers nti yɛpɛ sɛ yɛfa saa akwan nyinaa yɛkyea wɔn beebi bia ɔwɔ bia Darren Paul ɛnso ɛwɔ Angel a ɔno nso ɛbɔ adwuma wɔ Angel Kumasi a ɔno nso bɔ adwuma wɔ ne nkyɛn sɛ nkɔ wɔn aso yɛ ansa na yɛde analysis a emu ɔdɛ ɛbɛbrɛ yɛn atiefo afei nso atiefo nyinaa nso yɛda wɔn ase sɛ wɔn ama yɛ akonya sɛ yɛn nso so yɛbɛkyerɛ yɛ adwene na wɔn nso enti yɛpɛ constructive criticism enti wɔhyia yɛn anaasɛ ɔwɔ yɛn namba na any means bi a obetumi ɛde atu yɛn fo biara after sɛ yɛba bɛkyerɛ yɛ adwene biara no yɛbɛsrɛ wɔn sɛ wɔde bɛma yɛn na ɛtumi abɔ yɛn ma edwuma no nso akɔ so. Why Champions League football done? And then no EPL. Omo ena omo wie league no Nyankopon yadoma echena. Liverpool are qualified for Champions League. City also are qualified for Champions League. Liverpool 96 points for the league. City 78 on also automatically no qualify. Chelsea, United, Leicester aka omo echena. Yepe mienu akoka Liverpool any City ho. Na submit ama UEFA say your ball league ni wie and teams yi na qualify for Champions League. Abribia England at the 4 clubs and Echo. Meaning Spain are also the 4 Echo sa and I mean Italy are also 8 minute 4 and so Echo sa and then Niama England Abribia yeka say the most exciting, the most difficult and then the most watched league any sa anima way. You see in Foria sa anima way e betwa ama league ni kura no e sonko. And then aba baby hia say ye bo last round of matches nyame adoma echena. And so uko relegation table na nkrofo and dey ye obi ntimi mfa ne nsa ensi ne bo apart from Norwich ono akonfirm say wako relegation no omo maka bia no echena se omo ego won ho na se omo ahye numa yi na omo di agro betime di omo ewo sakwan so ama omo akọ relegation na West Bromwich Albion ene omo keka ho no nso aba besi akan ewo league ni mu and Manchester United nyakopo ya adoma obo Leicester City echena Chelsea ebo Wolves or Stamford Bridge echena United eko Leicester nchen ewo Ken Power Stadium Wolves eko Stamford Bridge matches are interesting season yi Wolves very good and solid ewo away saying say obo efie and prepi and I say nunu espiritu or share na brabo ase e wo Wolves a yenim se omo dominate no na home no fortress home no baby a nanka ubeti bia hua pa se ukọ omaso ye enso ase season you know eno man hira nko yi amomo sa home ho na Chelsea ko hwam 5-2 abrante Tammy Abraham ebo hat-trick wo sa match ni enti ende ono Wolves no travel every Nifie now ako pim e was Stamford Bridge no no ma bebre e na ebe koso e was match no Ken Power Leicester host Manchester United me pese me hu sa 3 clubs here United Chelsea Leicester no why no win Champions League no most you see you say why Champions League League and a club so excited and I say omo ho pre na abribia no omo di money Champions League football so after say omo make good rounds domestic no omo person omo san kwa bontin san ko showcase clubs are almost represent country ni na you say for clubs no and I say board of directors and I say club owners no nienti a omo pe Champions League no sikapudu a Champions League ni mu se o qualify wo league ni mu na se okọ a awo ye appearance fee and I say ye wo sika yofa ede ma na wo de aboa wo ho ede hye enema bako mienu bi na ende wo akokusi akan ama wo club na say wo country no say tournament no ehye a afen so ye wo TV right akese a ye de ema team biara wa qualify for Champions League no oyi eno nso everyone ma ye wo fans a ana say behwade for supporters a o deep team yi echi dom ana say o supporting team yi na eye wo wani gie ana say eye wo ho a say clubs and team so qualify for Champions League enso ye be kan mo aka the elite clubs and I said the top quality clubs are area sa for nyina no it is so munya qualification na wo fans no asoye no e ma wo ni je ye o ma ho like omonso etimi nya bragging right no say to your team ye kese esne wo team ye team so sane ko ene sane ma no eno na ema team so no ehia yie say omo be qualify for Champions League football oyi eno so everyone ma ye wo players a omo nso enya kwan showcase one talent afei wonya kwan ema image nso ekosoro because Champions League football no the most watched aside from domestic leagues are organizer more no Champions League football no top clubs are what qualify from different league centers no eba be hia enti say onya top club a Champions League no was akwa no so enti say what na qualify no player no the image right it be ekosoro ewo hono for the players it is a chance for them to be rubbing shoulders obetimi enso rubbing shoulders ebia obenya player bia afina oba test Champions League no Cristiano Ronaldo am making ni debut that long way ago why no ma bebre or records akese enti obenya kwan no ni Cristiano Ronaldo si akan oni Lionel Messi si akan oni Robert Lewandowski si akan oni Suarez si akan oni Neymar si akan oni Eden Hazard si akan Sergio Ramos eno mo si akan and say boys no enya kwan na say oni elite boys no na say players a omo edi kan aye making omudin na owo din akese ewo ewiase afo na nyina na onya kwan ehia safo na eno nso etimi eboa omo ma omo ayi ekoso afi coaches no nso ewo roa ana say Champions League play ewo omo careers mu eboa omo ema omo timi nya big contracts afi nso players a say omo we season na say ya chi na omo we na Monday ye window na yetimi nso boa ema players no etusu clubs a ene omo coaches no boa ma omo ba ebe sign ema clubs no ma clubs no so image etimi ekoso ebi ti say echena nyakopon ya aduma so mo bo no munya top for ni wi a Chelsea before that no na say before echena matches ni no when they can sign Hakim Ziyech was sign Timo Werner and I is other Kai Havertz kan one was sign outlining a couple of guys who go City aso ya o ma prioritize Abrante Kalidou Koulibaly sign ya o mo beye e wo hono no Oko Manchester City and I say Manchester United you were Jadon Sancho so deal with one person who be we ewo enti sanyoma we no abrabo a omodi kan abo a Champions League United no edge mu miensa Chelsea edge mu baako na Liverpool edge mu ensia ene other clubs are almost GGB no sa enyoma no na etimi eboa ema players bi tusu clubs bi over clubs bi na omotimi akokose enti ye hwe inferior e world Champions League ni how excited eye no eno na ema clubs no ema won show nkran say omo betimi anya Champions League football hon na atimi aboa won enti don nyoma bebre na ekomu ewo hon ne pese me hwe Chelsea Manchester United and Leicester City near Ohia Champions League. You see, Oko Europe football more, and I say Oko USA football and the year. Yeah, the Sika and a team Bia no image right, and I say on the sponsor or sponsor enti Ebia year no, and I say or Afinimunano, almost sponsors, what you say, Omosika Ebia Omunyan say enti okay 2016 now. Leicester eba beji league me pese me share my argument because a hormone na ye hu Leicester say approach ye ewo world football into 2016 na Leicester ne sponsorship deal da onya year £1 million into what they call dollars my $1.4 million and I would ba yeah what they call dollars ma $1.4 million ɛwɔ hɔ nom. United the sponsorship deal wa broke ɛyɛ 54 million pounds and $77 million. Enti Chelsea nso then 2016 na Yokohama Towers and sponsor no into Chelsea $40 million. So what they ba 40 million pounds, what they ba dollars ma na $64 million. Enti was sponsorship in 2016 United and Chelsea enya sika kese esene Leicester £1 per £1 and United 54 Chelsea 40 million. Enti say Chelsea lose Champions League footballer sika 40 million you bet me ahwere no. United lose Champions League footballer 54 million yibi bibia you bet me 40 million no ehwere Chelsea outright the name maybe your penalty bi and I say your crosses bi e dey share contract no a e kire say bia when to be nya Champions League footballer afina nka ye dey 40 million e ba no e bia embe ye 40 million bi e bia £2 bi and I say £3 bi and I say bia £10 million bi bet me free so because when to make Champions League football Oko United aso yen so a e bia crosses bi so hye wo sa eno so bet me a kire zendu no when to me so anya Champions League football ti no won't be nya sasika no enkwa ball bra sesenia we got Champions League e dey sasika no e ma won enti normal bebre e wo mu and then 2019-2020 year e wo mu United deal no 64 and City 45 Arsenal 40 Chelsea 40 Liverpool and so 40 omodeal so it is so mo etibanya Champions League footballer ye wo normal bebre a etimi edi wonya on to me bo omutim no bra yiye senia aka onya full amount ya obetimi abo won bra Champions League no e de wo oman ni mu no e de impumtuo ene what economic wise you see your advantages bebre Champions League football and as a big events you host e wo country bia no ye wo nyoma eba ye wo advantages and disadvantages na say over advantages and nyoma oman England and as a grow England ebetumi nya Africa Champions League mu enye onu England no na ekokosi akan internationally nemo ne clubs no ebia ahoho mpo ene ba bebe tenatese na Chelsea Abramovich free Russia auto club or Chelsea oye you ede mpuntuo ni sika puduo ene ankoso ene apega ensan bre England kuro no aside say club no one man club and as a obi die na enye ono England de no sign etimi ma ene ma shooti e wo kono mu eno ma ben advantage krono betmanya economic wise senior medical kan no omo betimi a shooti wo hwe so krono England no ni profile e be san pega though England e wodi landing to be precise England wodi na mom yenya top class club or ma qualify for Champions League na Champions League football so na bia yese do no Bayern Munich of free Germany ene bia Chelsea bi ebo Bayern Munich bi of free Germany and as Liverpool bi of free Germany ene bia United bi bo the euphoria ene nyoma bebre na ebre England the mind because ye the attention no ni bibia cameras ni bibia eba omo image right no bibia ebe pega e wo ho and then saa nyoma na ebetimi aboa amakuro ene oman ezo etimi enyini your long term investment and so e wo ho no masa Champions League football ba ndeno security sa yefa ebe pega mu ye wo stadium no ebia baby wo ho no ma ebia atochima ebetimi asiesi ho no na ya expand ya e will be enya adwuma aye enti sanyuma no nyina eba kroni mu no etimi boa ema obi enya adwuma ye esantunu eboa ma sika ebehye obi botomu eno advantages Champions League football and as a big event system of football every kroni afa ye wo enthusiasm and excitement ye wo kro enije bebam obenya enije bebre mempese mebobọ so e wo kroni mu ebebam e wo ho afa so ye wo cost of event ni disadvantage no say Champions League football na ba e wo say o fetch and as o invest more money now all this sesi enoma bebre na timo na emo no say o run sa cost na say disadvantage na don't forget say Champions League football no say o qualifier to every stage no omo de sika na ebeba wataso ewo ho no nyama we a me de atoto kwan mu no hwan team ben na wo hwe a obetimi ede sam puntuo ni sa economic profile no say ebia England enya raise your profile as a country no teams here amabubo yi eye Liverpool Manchester United, Chelsea, Leicester no teams here amabubo yi team ben na wo hwe a obetimi ede impuntuo na say apega marriage no ana say ama etimi aboa no na oman no nso etimi ejina ye anya sa financial models no enso etimi edi ayeye enema bebre ewo kro ni eye Chelsea na Manchester United because they bia no even on sponsorship deal na media to Ghana 1 million for Leicester, 40 million for Chelsea, 65 and I say 64 and 54 million pounds for United no e kire wo say Leicester mino but United and Chelsea big clubs omo jina for Champions League ewo England na mu a ebetimi abom afa yenyi sanema emfiri ho ne performance wise your United Champions League year ye kan you before say ebeye Champions League football no na ye bo European Champions Club Cup United ejimu 2 and ebeye Champions League proper no United ajimu back on United no and the entirely no over 3 Champions League cups and as trophies or and a one in museum or the bonny bra as Manchester United club or England oba ase one my Chelsea or also ewo back on wadi 2012 Abramovich era no waji ewo hodoma or also and the bonny bra Leicester Premier League na wabeji on the Champions League ye enti ye hwe omo a omo betimi nso akọ enimu Leicester eba Champions League ebia wakọ enimu bia no ebia quarter finals and say 1 of 16 but obi ka say on paper Chelsea and Manchester United ebetimi do semi final and I say asa to so akọ final obeji omadi because omaye bi da ne waye bi da no ono na ekasa ye tie no na ne afi na obabe no obetie enso aso a wo de be ma no rapt attention a wo de be ma no enye tisese ne a obi a wo gini di anase wo hu se waye bi da no enye pe enti me su se United and Liverpool Chelsea and Manchester City eko jina England and name e Champions League until omunya qualification over Leicester City eye say omunya obia ewo akonya say obetimi akokosi akan e Champions League team bia e akonya na emom no ye hwe benefita top class no ebenya anase benefita ebe bakro ni England na as compared to benefita say Leicester enya Champions League footballer e de beba Bernard Rodgers oye Leicester for coach e grante press conference enti omo bisa Bernard Rodgers mi quote or say we want to be in it but if we fall short it is still a good season near a person chere say omunya Champions League football na mawom na mum so one qualify po that's a United qualify over omo and as a Chelsea qualify over omo still a good season because last season when e be omo finish mid table 8B and as 7B and then okwakokowie either fifth or fourth and he said otuminya say you know what better the performance or than the last season no and then when you fit obetima bo Europa League when you fourth obetima bo Champions League onya Champions League nemo onya Champions League and Sene United on the bet writer all cost e was say Champions League na the fans enya bragging right e was so Champions League na o maintain that status quo na e work on no United so say big club no e was so no United no Champions League onya Champions League and so onya Champions League and Sene Chelsea the status quo and the bet right since Abramovich era when they was say ma atiefo ene nkofo a wodi ball no achi ehunu enti boss me susu say Leicester eko Europa na United na Chelsea enya kwan ko Liverpool ni Manchester City ema solid and massive team omo betimi akwakọ Robbie Soldiers wo Real Madrid ni Barcelona ni omo makaka no honum na etimi de enuma papa abre ayinu since Champions League no ase no there was Spanish clubs na wa make 18 victories e wo honum enti ye wo 18 caps Spanish clubs no nko age e wo Champions League the close to say 18 and as a champion Spanish clubs England also make 13 wins and the 13 wins no eno e be kire wo say England any Spain Champions League course na say clubs anymore etimi ema competition no etochima kakra enti eno na be boa say wo as a country no and as a league no o ko Champions League o betimi wo money bomu no o betimi e the top clubs akọ na o makọ maintain status quo na wo as a club and as a country no wa set ama wo echena match no mu no me Leicester ko e free COVID-19 by 8 matches no Leicester we need to pay United win more wins esene Leicester enti me nim senia echena match no be nemo eye home ni die no na a bit dicey Emma United no but me ujamia meko for win and I said double chance for United sana meko no oko Chelsea any Wolves aso ya Wolves ehia European football to say Europa abo me nim senia Frank Lampard ene mbrante eba wakotenase na omama Wolves aba be show omo akọ na oma ende omo dreams any aspiration omo say omo be contest for Champions League football season week say United say Chelsea and Frank Lampard etimi secure Champions League football a price ema Frank Lampard because league aye kwakobo na waton wo best player in Eden Hazard ama Real Madrid na wo academy players na when you signing bia no wo FA Cup final wo Champions League 1 of 16 wo top 4 e was a fantastic season Emma Frank Lampard and the boys say Lampard nyoma yie na o check defense wo which Andra me Mathieu Potier say defense any goalkeeper season way and the worst ever season Emma Chelsea o defend Barca e was akwan so though any season bia na Abramovich era no mo make Champions League ekoye ebia Europa bi but omo performance wo defense and say goalkeeper concede no enye abysmal to say this crop of players and I say this current season here omo ebe wi yakopon ya doma echina ho on defending now onja is so marking on defending now goalkeeper no on born home body on peja ne home ne so say me Frank Lampard echina anka me benchi Kepa Arrizabalaga ne me makwan ama abrante Willy Caballero aba bejina post na fe so backline na obo against Liverpool now mesan try sa backline no na afi ma ye numa yi na matimi anya nia mepe what mattered most no enye echina game at Chelsea bebo abofe and say ye hia say whichever way no obenya Champions League footballer omo ebetimi am maintain status quo na fans any behwade for any footballing fans no edim say omo Chelsea ekura with other elite clubs ne big clubs na omo mede manu besi na encha kese akọ ama Danimpo Nutilati Don Samawan and Godfather Sadiq Adams and striker or your Park Kesbin and Angel FM Kumaseni Akre na Manuel Sidon.